Following the throne speech, the president of the Manitoba Association of Healthcare Professionals, Jason Linklater, says the government needs to address urgent staff shortages and retention.
The urgency or the crisis that we're experiencing right now really does have to do with the exodus of people from allied health professions. People are leaving the province. People are leaving their occupations for completely different occupations. And we're talking about highly skilled professionals that are making this choice. So it's a big deal.
Linklater says their members experience intolerable and unsustainable workloads, heightened by short staffing.
We have areas with rural paramedics where there should be 7 and they're staffing 3. And that's simply because there are not paramedics to fill those positions. We have similar positions or circumstances in labs where we should have 11 people in a lab and they have 4. And so you can imagine the pressure that puts on those people. Overtime is a huge issue in most of our groups.
He says, along with frozen wages and staff being without a contract for 5 years, the government is doing very little to aid staff retention in allied health professions.
You cannot recruit into a situation where you can't even retain. So it does solve the problem long term if they deal with the people they currently have, because it's a situation people aren't even wanting to come into. Paramedic colleges are having difficulty recruiting because people don't want to go into that line of work because they know that there just isn't jobs that can support their lifestyle.
He says conversations need to be had with the government to resolve these issues and provide Manitobans with a system they can depend on. In Winnipeg, Temi Olatunde, City News.